Alright, this is going to be a short video, guys, on switching over bodies. So the original Capra that I had was the plastic body, Endura buggy body. I got the same body except with the metal panels, and I also spray painted it gold, and it came out nice. This thing is nice. So again, I'll show you before and after, and in the comments let me know your thoughts, but this just came out awesome. I also changed over the links. I had trail links here and here. I took those out so I get a higher clearance, and the higher clearance ones are actually hard park RC links for the Dementor. So you can definitely see, zoom in, how much more clearance I have. All right, new body, new links, mini Capra. Thing looks amazing, especially with the new paint job that I did. That gold just pops. And we're gonna take her for a maiden, if you will, with the new body. Still working on this homemade mini crawler track. It's a work in progress. I need to clean the leaves off. It is leaf season. But yeah, she's crawling good. I got Endura 1.3 Klingon tires. They are awesome. Highly recommend it, with Endura wheels. I'm gonna fix the turning radius on this. Really, the left is a little sluggish compared to the right, so gotta work on that. Get her back on the track. See if I can get her up over this. I think I'm gonna hook up there. Yeah, the rear got tied up. There we go. And we'll see if we can get up this. Shouldn't be a problem. Should not be a problem to get up this. Come on, hook up. Did not hook up. Let's try it again. There we go. Come on. There we go. Just a little taste. And those front links, those are actually just ball bearings that and spacers, rubber spacers. So it won't get caught up. Came out nice. Yeah, we're hooked. Caught up on this middle. Oh, let's spin her around. Pretty funny. There we go. We'll get back down. Totally went back the wrong way, but we'll turn her around. Let's see if she can do the gully, because this gully is pretty tough, especially for the smaller crawlers that I have. Fix that leaf. See if I can go up and back over. This is kind of tight, and I don't think it's going to work out with this one. But you never know. Oh, wow. Let's see. Probably not going to be able to do it. Or proves me wrong. Wow, that was a good climb. This is one of my most capable trucks, so I'm not 100% surprised, but good work. You can see the articulation right there on this rock. Nice. Feels like it's